What up guys, Miguel here, Vigatech, and if you're a young professional like moi, for sure you've already started saving, or even better, you've started investing. Or at least you've considered it or even tried to research about it. There are many ways you can do this, but of course some of the more popular options for investing nowadays is cryptocurrencies and of course, the stock market. But for a complete beginner, it's really hard to get into because there's a lot of studying, analysis, and practice involved. However, as tech enthusiasts, we can utilize technology! There's this thing that exists called social trading, because at the beginning at least, you don't need to know much. Social trading is defined as a form of investing that allows investors to observe the trading behavior of their peers and expert traders and to follow their investment strategies using copy trading or mirror trading. Source: Wikipedia. What are you professors of mine gonna do back from high school and college, huh? Wikipedia! Just kidding, profs, I love you. Anyway, this is where a platform called eToro comes in. You may have seen their ads with Dave and Steve. You know, the ones where one of the dudes does research on global investment opportunities while the other dude does research on how to become a level 60 wizard. Well, this ad they put out is a very clear demonstration of how eToro works. You don't necessarily need the knowledge on trading, investment, or global markets. You can simply utilize copy trading, which is exactly what it sounds like. You copy the trading portfolios of other investors. When they make a trade, you make a trade. But as a social trading platform, there are quite a number of users on eToro whose trading platforms you can copy. And it's a pretty guided experience as you can always see who the suggested or top traders are. So when eToro reached out to do a feature with us, we were definitely intrigued to try it out ourselves and show you guys what the experience is like. Because I'll be honest, the first time I saw that ad, I did not skip it. I literally finished it because I was genuinely curious to see how it works. But hold on, since we're gonna be trying it out, there is a disclaimer. This video is a simple feature or guide to the basics of how eToro works. It's not a tutorial on the best practices or a guide to investment, nor is it a get-rich-quick instruction manual. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. So signing up for eToro is a straightforward process, whether on the website or in the mobile app. You just need to put your name, email, and your mobile number to sign up. Then to have your account verified, you need to provide proof of identity and proof of address. So basically, a government-issued ID plus a bank statement, utility bill, etc. Basically the same stuff you need when you open a bank account. Once that's done, you can then head over to the dashboard on eToro and hit that deposit button. There are a number of ways to do this, as you can see: local online banking, credit or debit card, PayPal, wire transfer, and more. But for now, we're not gonna do that just yet. Let's check out the features. On your dashboard, the first thing you'll probably see is the watch list. Here you can see all the markets you're currently tracking, whether it be stocks, currency, crypto, and more. You can easily create lists, rearrange your markets as you see fit, and even set price alerts. Here in the watch list, you can also see all the people you're following, which are essentially other users you can copy trade. So we're gonna do just that. Follow a few people and let's copy this guy. By the way guys, you don't actually have to deposit any funds into your account if you just want to try out eToro. You get a virtual account when you sign up that has 100,000 virtual dollars you can practice with. So now that we are copy trading someone, that activity is now seen in the portfolio tab. All the trades you do yourself also end up here. Now we're gonna do a little bit more of this, get some stocks and invest in some cryptocurrency. And again, this is all safe. So far, I'm not spending any of my own money, I'm just practicing with the virtual account, which is by far my favorite feature of eToro. But again guys, I'm gonna repeat that disclaimer. This video is just a feature or guide on the basics of how eToro works. I'm not an expert in investing or trading. But yeah, all the things we've tried so far are available and super easy to use, whether on the web version of eToro or the mobile app for both iOS and Android. In conclusion, my experience over here has been pretty cool. And if you're somebody who wants to get into investing, it's one of the least intimidating ways to do so. As for copy trading, yes, you can be like Dave from eToro's commercial and leverage someone else's genius. But if you actually do take the time to observe the activity of the people you're copy trading, it's a great way to learn the ropes as well. So yeah, if you guys are also interested in trying out trading stocks, crypto, and more, I do recommend trying out eToro, even as just a way to practice, because again, there's a virtual account preloaded with $100,000 of virtual money. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think of eToro in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.